5 effective home remedies to make your curls manageable. Your hair as one of the deciding factors of your style and personality. Managing hair is one of the difficult tasks in the world. Grooming them and ensuring that you do not lose their beauty and a whole long day is next to impossible. And when it comes to a person having curly hairs, then the level of difficulty further increases. People consider curly hair as both blessing and cure. If you are able to manage them properly, then your curly hair can add stars to your personality and style, but is one of the difficult things in the achieve. Styling the curly hair is not a cup of cake for everyone. Curly hairs often become dry and unruly because it becomes very difficult to manage and style them. Number 1 is fenugreek seeds. An excellent herbal remedy for curly hair is fenugreek seeds. They have high level of lecithin, which is the emulsifying agent, and they took lock in moisture to make your hair flexible and block out humidity to decrease frizz and make your hair look fuller and curlier. Soak these to 5 tablespoons of fenugreek seed in a water overnight. The next morning, grind the soaked seeds to make a thick paste. Make 3 tablespoons of the plain yogurt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil into the paste. Massage the paste onto the scalp and throughout your hair. Leave it for at least 1 hour before rinsing it off and then shampoo your hair. Repeat once or twice a week. Number 2 is aloe vera. Aloe vera smooths the hair curl and promotes the shine and moisture in hair. Plus, it has a high water and loaded with 20 minerals, 12 vitamins, 18 amino acids, and several other nutrients. So, it is a good for your hair's overall health. Massage fresh oil aloe vera gel into your hair scalp and leave it for 15 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water and wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Number 3 is carbonated water. And the very simple remedy to define your curls and reduce frizz is carbonated or sparkling water. Thanks to its low pH level, it's helped to clarify your hair and make it extra soft and shiny. Dilute some non-flavored carbonated water with equal amount of plain water and set it aside. Shampoo your hair, rinse with plain water, use the diluted carbonated water as a final rinse. Let your hair sit dry and follow the remedy 4 times a week. Number 4 is honey. Honey is natural humectant that can help to restore the moisture to dry hairs. This in turn will help to manage your curly hairs. Mix equal amount of warm honey and extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil. Massage this mixture onto your hair from scalp to end. Cover this with a shower cap and leave it for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with a mild shampoo. You can use this remedy once a week. Number 5 is hibiscus. Another excellent remedy for managing curly hair is hibiscus, and the slippery juice of the hibiscus flowers leaf work as natural conditioner. Hibiscus seals the hair cuticles and helps to promote the hair breakage and stop it. Grind 3 to 4 hibiscus leaves and the petals for hours and flowers for a little water. You can dry the hibiscus powder to make a fine paste. Apply this all over your hair. Leave it for 10 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. The next day, shampoo your hair. Repeat this remedy once or twice a week for the best results. Additional tips. Avoid using heat styling tools like flat iron and curling iron. Do not wash your hair every day. Use the right shampoo and conditioner for your hair. If you swim a chlorinated pool regularly, use a clarifying shampoo and conditioner. Wear a swim cap or shower cap. Apply conditioner starting from inch away from the root and apply it down the way all of your hairs. Deep condition your hair at least once a week to keep it hydrated. After each wash, when your hair is slightly damp, damage it with a wringer and ball. Avoid a towel drying curly hair. Do not use a hair dryer. Get your hair trimmed away every month. Prevent the split ends. These remedies and tips will help you achieve the bouncing, flowing, frizz-free curls you want.
Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.